think the students of my class 10 must be going through this word every time, dominion status. So when the people were struggling hard for the freedom of the country, this word is very important in history, dominion status. Till 1928, we were demanding dominion status, and a series of events happened from 1928 to 1929 that demanded for पूर्ण स्वराज. पूर्ण स्वराज वर्ड पढ़ा होगा आपने हिस्ट्री में. तो 1928 तक हम लोग डोमिनियन स्टेटस की डिमांड कर रहे थे बिकॉज वी वर नॉट क्लियर एक्चुअली कि व्हाट वी शुड गेट. तो जब थोड़ी समझ आई और चीज़ों को समझना शुरू किया तो लगा ऐसा कि हम किसी के अधीन होकर नहीं रह सकते. बिकॉज इन डोमिनियन स्टेटस आई विल टेल यू वेरी शॉर्ट. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस, you will be given freedom, but many a places you will be restricted also. Like if there are foreign matters of your country, you are not free to decide about it. For communication, you are not free to decide the military affairs, and there were many issues for which you have to remain dependent on the Britishers. तो इंडिया ने कहा नहीं भाई, हमको डोमिनियन स्टेटस नहीं चाहिए, अब हमको तो पूर्ण स्वराज है. ये हमारा देश है तो हम ही इसमें रहेंगे और इसके जितने भी नियम कानून, रहने का तरीका, वो सब हम अपने आप बनाएंगे. हमको किसी के पराधीनता में नहीं रहना, हमको स्वाधीनता चाहिए. So there was an incident, because there are so many incidents in the history. When I stand on the podium, I have to research a lot कि आप लोगों के सामने कौन सा ऐसे इंसिडेंट लाएं जिससे आपको कुछ नॉलेज मिले और आपको अपने कंट्री के बारे में कुछ पता चले. So the British Prime Minister Clement Attlee, he introduced the Indian Independence Bill in the House of Commons on 4th July 1947. ठीक है, पूर्ण स्वराज के लिए इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस बिल that was introduced by Prime Minister Clement Attlee on 4th of July. These dates are very important. 1947, and there was a person who was a great critic of giving India पूर्ण स्वराज. तो आज उन्हीं की बात हम करेंगे. Winston Churchill, a remarkable name in the history. Winston Churchill was a conservative politician who strongly opposed to India's independence. Winston Churchill नहीं चाहते थे कि इंडिया को पूर्ण स्वराज दिया जाए, and so he was opposing that, and the words that he used that I would like to share with you. So a debate was going on in the Parliament where Churchill said these harsh words. What he said, Mr. Attlee, you are committing a historical mistake. These Indians don't know the D of democracy. The power will go to dishonest pirates. All Indian leaders are of low caliber and men of straw. They have never practiced democracy. There will be total chaos, and maybe there is bloodshed in the country. So these harsh words were used by Winston Churchill for the independence of our country. Today, India stands tall. We are proud that we have proved his words wrong. We are taking our country forward up to the heights in a very nice way. जिन्होंने कहा था कि इंडिया को डेमोक्रेसी का डी नहीं पता है, तो आज उस भारत देश को 77 वर्ष पूरे हो गए हैं अपनी आज़ादी को सेलिब्रेट करते हुए. Now this celebration that we are doing today stands as a testament to the resilience, innovation and progress of the people of India. When we look back at the history of India, there existed numerous pioneers who stood as strong independence. India has become the biggest democracies in the world. India has built a surplus economy from 2.7 lakh crore that was in 1947 to rupees 180 lakh crore in 2024. A big hand for India. India has shown the world that it could be a superpower by developing Asia's first nuclear reactor. Chandrayaan-1 was launched in 2008, and since we belong to the education sector, I think this is a surprising number for you all. The literacy rate has increased from 12% that was in 1947 to 75% in 2024. Each and every obstacles we are crossing, each and every limits we are reaching, and the road network has expanded from 0.399 million kilometers to 5.2 million kilometers. Big hand for the road system. This is not my thing. That is maths teachers know well. N number of things which cannot be quoted here. That is infinite, and India is reaching the limits. We are reaching great heights. We are working each day. We are working day and night. Our Prime Minister is taking the country to the heights.